Hey there, welcome to our channel. We're on a mission to uncover the treasures of a fulfilling life, and today, we're diving deep into vegan nutrition. Ever stood at the crossroads of a tempting burger and a vibrant salad? It's a dance of cravings versus health, isn't it? As we venture through this, if you want to keep such nuggets of wisdom coming your way, hit that subscribe button. Ready to embark on this flavorful journey? Let's dive in. Step number 1. Decoding protein sources. Wondered, where do vegans get protein? Lentils, chickpeas, tofu, and quinoa are not just foods. They are the cornerstones of vegan protein, akin to the superheroes in an action-packed movie. Step number 2. The fatty comrades. Fat is not the enemy. Avocados, nuts, and seeds are the stalwarts, ensuring you're not just full, but healthily fueled. Step number 3. Micronutrients, a colorful affair. Eat the rainbow. Embrace a colorful array of fruits and veggies. From the vibrant beets to sunny carrots, each brings a nutrient gift to your plate. Step number 4. Whole grains. That is the nutritional series. Think of whole grains as a Netflix series for your gut. Oats, brown rice, barley. It's a saga of wellness and taste intertwined. Step number 5. Water, the liquid gold. More than just a thirst quencher. Waterize the essence of life. Imagine it as the VIP ticket to the body's grand festival. Step number 6. Guide to supplements. Even in a well-planned vegan diet, some nutrients need a spotlight. Enter supplements. They're like the backup dancers, ensuring the star, that's you, shines the brightest. Step number 7. Tread carefully. That is vegan caution. Vegan junk food, it's a thing. Beware the siren call of processed vegan treats. It's like mistaking a wolf for a pet dog because it's in sheep's clothing. Step number 8. The magic of spices. Spices aren't just about the zing and zest. They are the enchanters of the vegan world, spinning tales of taste and health in every bite. Step number 9. Myth-busting session. Myths belong in children's books, not in nutrition guides. Properly fueled vegans can climb mountains, run marathons, or even just binge-watch without the dreaded energy slump. Step number 10. Vegan transition, a joyful odyssey. Beginners, fret not. Start slow. It's like learning to dance. Step by step, you'll find your rhythm, embracing the vegan waltz. Step number 11. The power of community. Every vegan, from the newbie to the veteran, thrives on community. It's the invisible thread, weaving stories, experiences, and tips into a vibrant tapestry. Step number 12. Recipes. Your vegan toolkit. Exploring veganism without delightful recipes is like trying to paint without colors. Dive into vegan cookbooks, blogs, and our channel for drool-worthy recipes. This vegan adventure has been a blend of science, art, and heart. It's a mosaic of choices that not only shapes your health but impacts the world. If you've journeyed with us this far and haven't yet subscribed, now's your golden moment. Keep this exploration alive. And before you dash off, our video nutrition coach, Unveiling the Secrets of a Plant-Powered Lifestyle, awaits your curious eyes. Stay enlightened, stay nourished,